So my friends and we joke around. Sometimes we think, what would we do if we didn't make it into engineering? What if we failed or something? So God forbid something happens to us. What would we do? One of my friends likes to joke around and say he's gonna go into art school, and I like to joke around and say I'm gonna be a professional Tetris player. Real talk, I have seen people who have succeeded in engineering and left the field for for them, they were making more money pursuing something like acting or comedy, or I know a guy who is making YouTube videos because it makes more money than actual engineering. So today I will be talking about people who have left engineering to pursue a career in selling insurance. I honestly have no idea how finance works or economics. I've never taken finance 101 or economics 101 or anything like that, so don't take my word for anything. I'm just sharing with you guys my experience and what I think. The only experience I have with finance is this class I took called Engineering Economics. I learned that if you keep your money in something static like a savings account or a checking account, it's not growing any interest, you're not earning any money. Yeah, I get that. Putting your money in something that has interest will earn you money in the future because inflation and stock prices and all that stuff. I sort of have a basic understanding of money, but I'm no expert. If you want to get professional advice, seek professional help. So I just got back from an insurance presentation and they were selling life insurance, and I thought, oh, this looks like a good deal. They explained stuff like 401ks and stocks and stuff. It was pretty informative. And then they got to the part of selling insurance, and it was a financial company, and they were presenting about their company and comparing themselves to other companies and showing the benefits of joining the company and stuff. It got me thinking. I have some friends who left engineering and went into selling insurance. And it made me wonder I'm seeing a trend here. Maybe this is something you should look into. One of the presenters was a professional computer engineer. He had 10 plus years in the industry. So this wasn't some guy who just dropped out of school, left college or whatever. He actually has legit experience. He worked at big name companies, and I don't want to get too specific because I don't want to give anything away or put anyone on the spot. So I asked him, what made you go from computer engineering to something completely different, like selling insurance? That seems so wow, I wouldn't do that. Computer engineering is something I really enjoy doing. It's my passion. And he explained it was his passion too. He loved working, he loved learning and tinkering and fixing things, building things. He didn't really like programming, which I understand. He said that the amount of work he would put into it was only earning him so much. Whereas with selling insurance, he worked just a few hours for one appointment and made $1,200 or something like that. And he thought, oh, well, if I'm working this much to earn this much over here, why am I working 40 hours a week just to earn that much over here? And yeah, it kind of got me thinking wow, is that going to be my future? Is that going to happen to me? No way. I love engineering. I hate sitting at a desk dealing with people. He loved engineering too, but eventually it started to take a toll on his body. He's approaching his 40s. He was saying something about being able to pull all-nighters back in your 20s, but when you're 40 you can't really do that anymore. And he was saying that selling insurance afforded him the flexibility of spending time with friends, family, getting some rest while still earning money, whereas in engineering he basically had no life. He was always trying to improve himself, update his certificates, and stuff like that. It just kind of had me thinking is this really what I want to do? Spend 40 hours a week doing engineering? I just want to let you all know I'm not gonna drop out of school or change my major or something, because I only have like a semester left. That would be crazy for me to do that. And my mom would kill me, so I'm not going to do that. Yeah, I do have other friends who they also went for engineering. They finished their degree, they got their FE, they're an EIT, but they ended up selling insurance too. So, it's just something to think about. So, selling insurance, life insurance, what do you guys think? Do you guys think it'd be a good idea to drop out of engineering and go into it full time, or keep engineering and just go into it part time, or not even consider it at all because it's a scam? I don't know if it's a scam. I just want to know what you guys think. Comment below. Any questions, advice, concerns, let me know. Bye!